Yo guys, how is everybody doing today? I will be showing you how you can export a photo from Apple Photos to Finder. You can do this with photos or videos. They both work, and you'd want to do this, say, if you want to move your photo to a different application like maybe iMovie to turn it into a movie. You sometimes can't do it directly from Apple Photos, so you need it in Finder, or if you want to send it to somebody or something like that. So what you're going to want to do is take your photo. We have this photo of some mountains here, and you're just going to go right up here where it says File, hit File. Then you're going to hit Export down there, export one photo. After you press Export Photo, you can edit these settings here just to decide what you want. We'll go PNG as a picture. You can decide what you want to call the file and all that, and then you can hit Export. After that, you choose where you want to export the photo. So we're going to put it into the iCloud drive. We're going to hit export. It is currently exporting. You can see the circle up there. We get the notification. The file has been exported. So now if we go into Finder, iCloud drive, there's our photo right there so that we can use it wherever we want. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.